you guys? Long time no pit bike adventure, huh? Fucking seems like it. Ooh, almost fell off the bike already right there. This thing can fucking go everywhere, so I love about it. Coming up these little hills. I still have yet to get a rear master brake cylinder, so that kind of sucks ass. I've been so focused on fixing up the ZX6R. But I remember last time checking, they were only like 16 doll hairs, so probably just gonna go pick one up like within the next 2 days. The asshole city workers actually did their job and patched up all the holes that were in the fence over here. So I no longer have access to my cool little areas right here right now. Unless I come with some bolt cutters and make my own. Do some exploring right here. Oh look, there's the sign from that one short film I made. So today I'm just gonna mob around just the random places I come across. I'm not gonna really go anywhere in particular, I guess you could say. I'm just in the mood just to mob around and just riding some dirt. And do a couple of these bad boys. Yeah! Let's go ahead and do a hilltop view. See how the city looks today. Looks nice out today. And I want to get a pipe for this thing bad. Like a little FMF bomb, power bomb exhaust, whatever the hell they're fucking called. Ooh, there's an Audi R8 in that garage. I want to get a better look at that. So let's get a view first. I need to head up to that mountain because I see all kinds of trails up there. And this area got blocked off right here too. They fucking patched up that hole in the fence that I stick the bike through. Sucks. So now it's like I gotta go explore some streets or some new areas and explore and find some more trails and whatnot. Look at that, an Audi R8. That's nice. Just the ass of it's nice. You can't even see the whole car. I'm holding in the clutch and we're just gonna free flow this fucking hill. Oh, the breeze feels nice, I must say. And slow down. I actually wanted to go down this hill. Look at the breeze, you can see the flags. That's the house I'm on right there too, with the balcony just hanging over the edge. Just barbecue and just have all of San Bernardino to bask in its ambience. Shopping cart, shopping cart.
Shopping cart. Yeah. Chill. Yeah.
Over the beer can. Fuck you, kid. Anybody need some tires? Ooh, it's like a church parking lot right here. All on its own, all mysterious like. In the ghetto. Ooh, I wonder if I can catch air off that little cement dip. Only one way to find out. Oh, that was sick. Church of Christ. Whoever knew parking lots would be so fun on a pit bike.
Stop. Parada. Entrada sin autorización a este lugar. Será no notificado a la policía. Fuck you.
Let's just go the way of the dirt. I'm gonna hunt that cat down again. Oh, it's random shit. Oh, look, someone busted that TV. Ooh, this is really ruddy and sandy.
Easy. Take it easy.
That's cool. It's like a secret entrance. It doesn't even look like you could go anywhere right here. Then you just go whoop, right around the car. Watch your face. And let's go ahead and head back over here and then get some speed because I'm going through. Whoa, shit! Oh wow, that was pretty clean. Going through that whole sand pile right there. My lord, this is bumpy. My lord. Ooh, you got it, buddy. You got it. You got it. Just keep going there. There you go.
There you go. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's go up this bitch. Fat boulder. Ooh, don't want to fall down that shit. That wouldn't have been fun. Then where's there a trail that leads up here that goes to nowhere, damn it? It's like wants to lead you up here to make you fall and shit. Fuck, I would totally climb up that hill, but I would not want to come back down it. Having no rear brakes. Shit sucks. I need to go buy that part. There's that old guy that was chasing me that one time, remember? Hitting the twisties on the pit bike. If this thing had like a fifth gear, like an overdrive gear, oh man, this thing would just be epic for the streets. For making quick little road trips somewhere. Go get some at the store and whatnot. Just cruise with the cars, with the traffic. This little spot. I made my own little like little turnaround pit right there and everything already from all the wipeouts or burnouts I've done right there. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, there's a guy here right in this house. He called me over the other day and then, oh shit, almost fucking shows in first gear still. He was right here and then he called me and goes, hey, do you know what pit bikes? And I guess he has a pit bike here. It's got a little bigger, actually it's got way bigger tires than this one, and it looks raggedy, but it looks fun. Cause it looks like it's got might be a 125 as well. Just making my own track. That's the cool thing about riding in the city. You come places, you make your own tracks. Oh shit. That shit smells like fucking black licorice and asshole.
Say what?
You don't have any brakes on that shit. Hey, let's do a drag race. Right here. To the white van. Alright, ready? Hold on. Alright, ready? 1, go. Oh, my little 110's faster still. He rigged a little ATV throttle cable over, so he has to pull it by hand. That's what sucks. 1, 2, 3, go. That's my mad drag races. Damn, he needs to get that fixed so he can ride it normal and get some brakes on it. That was tight. Hey, he might win now because he's a lot lighter than you.
Go
So
get you because I'm heavy.
yeah.
What's up with him, nigga?
All right, ready?
Just watch the cars, alright?
Yeah, one.
Come off over there. You guys cruise over there because there's fucking stop signs and there ain't no brakes.
Yeah. Good.
Go.
When you need a brake, just downshift. Ready? Yeah. He's got me. He's way lighter. Well, I'm eating his dust, literally. Oh shit. Oh man. He's trying to get his video on too. So we're gonna race from here. From a dead stop. From a dead stop. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he got me off the line. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Damn, the kid takes me every time, damn it. I'm gonna throw my fucking back out over all these damn mounds and shit. But I gotta admit, this thing's just taking it like a fucking bitch. In a good way, though. Whoa. Oh, yeah, he made that shit. Told you he'd make that shit. He needs to get this little. This is a third gear burnout. Well, look, my shit's just free spinning. Well guys, it's gonna go and conclude today's pit bike adventure. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the that like button. You guys have yourself a good day.